Discover the ultimate collection of 20 must-have woodworking tools that every smart woodworker should own. From precision measuring devices to innovative cutting and shaping tools, these essentials make projects faster, cleaner, and more accurate. Perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike, this list highlights tools designed to elevate craftsmanship, efficiency, and creativity in every woodworking workshop. Massca Twin Pocket Hole Jig Kit. The Massca Twin Pocket Hole Jig Kit is a reliable solution for creating strong, clean, and hidden joints in woodworking projects. It features built-in measurement gauges that simplify setup and remove guesswork. The magnetic quick adjust base allows fast positioning with metal clamps, while hardened steel drill guides ensure precise, long-lasting performance. Compatible with materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, it includes essential accessories for immediate versatile use. Milescraf GrabberPLUS Pushblock. The Milescraf GrabberPLUS Pushblock is a smart safety upgrade for table saws, router tables, jointers, and bandsaws. Its spring-loaded retractable heels grip the workpiece edge for superior control and reduced kickback. A diamond grip, non-marring base prevents slipping, while the ergonomic handle applies balanced pressure comfortably. Built from durable, high-visibility ABS plastic, the ambidextrous GrabberPLUS keeps hands safely away from blades during precise cuts. WORKPRO 6-inch Japanese Pool Saw. The WORKPRO 6-inch Japanese pool saw delivers clean, accurate cuts for pros and DIYers. Its dual-edged SK5 high-carbon steel blade offers a 14 TPI side for fast rip cuts and a 17 TPI side for precise cross cuts, with some versions featuring a fine 23 TPI edge for joinery. An ultra-thin, flexible blade with gold coating reduces friction and resists rust. The ergonomic beach handle, pull stroke action, tooth guard, and hanging hole ensure control, safety, and easy storage in any workshop. Wood Chisel Set. A quality wood chisel set is an essential addition to any woodworking toolkit, offering precision, strength, and versatility. These sets feature hardened steel blades for excellent edge retention, allowing clean and accurate cuts across different materials. Ergonomic, impact-resistant handles provide comfort and control during extended use, while multiple blade widths handle everything from fine joinery to heavy chopping. Protective coatings, strike caps, and durable storage cases ensure long-lasting performance and safe, organized storage. POWERTEC Push Block and Push Stick Set. The POWERTEC Push Block and Push Stick Set is a 5-piece safety kit built to improve control and protect hands around woodworking machines. It includes long and short hold-down push blocks, a safe V-stick, and a straight push stick for precise feeding. Slip-resistant rubber pads deliver strong grip without marring stock. Durable ABS construction, ergonomic handles, and bright orange visibility make it ideal for table saws, jointers, router tables, shapers, and bandsaws, with magnets on select models for storage. DMF Cabinet Scraper for Woodworking. The DMF Cabinet Scraper from DFM Toolworks is a precision finishing tool designed to deliver ultra-smooth, glass-like wood surfaces without standing dust. Made in the USA from 0.032 inches. American Blue Spring Steel, it features a high carbon edge hardened to Rockwell 50C for excellent durability. CNC cut edges are ready to use immediately, removing tear out, burn marks, and tricky grain with ease while producing clean shavings instead of dust. Pomsare 5-inch hook and loop backing pad. The Pomsare 5-inch hook and loop backing pad is a versatile heavy-duty accessory that turns angle grinders and power drills into powerful sanding and polishing tools. Made from reinforced polyurethane, it offers excellent durability and flexibility. The secure hook and loop system allows quick disc changes, while the soft buffer layer reduces vibration and follows curved surfaces. Rated for high RPM use, it's ideal for sanding, grinding, buffing, and polishing wood, metal, plastic, and more. GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig. The GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig is a must-have tool for woodworkers who need precise, repeatable thin cuts with improved safety. Designed for table saws, band saws, and router tables, it delivers accurate strip widths down to 1/32 inch. Its one-way roller bearing reduces kickback risk, while the durable aluminum body ensures long-term reliability. Easy setup, laser-engraved scales, and wide compatibility make it ideal for consistent professional results. POWERTEC 24-inch double-cut profile universal T-track. The POWERTEC 24-inch double-cut profile universal T-track is a reliable upgrade for custom woodworking jigs, fixtures, and workbenches. Its double-cut profile accepts common 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch T-bolts and hex bolts, adding flexibility without extra hardware. Made from anodized 6463 aluminum, it's lightweight, strong, and corrosion resistant. Pre-drilled countersunk holes ensure easy installation, while its universal design supports router tables, drill press tables, stops, and clamping systems. WORKPRO 9-inch track saw clamps. The WORKPRO 9-inch track saw clamps are built to keep guide rails firmly locked in place for accurate, worry-free cutting. Their universal design fits most major track saw systems, excluding Bosch, making them highly versatile. One-handed squeeze grip operation allows quick setup, while a strong 150-pound clamping force prevents movement. Non-marring pads protect surfaces, and durable steel construction ensures long-lasting reliability for woodworking, jigs, and glue-ups. MICROJIG MatchFit Pop Stop. The MICROJIG MatchFit Pop Stop is a smart, low-profile stop block designed for the MatchFit dovetail clamp track system, delivering precise and repeatable cuts. Its spring-loaded design automatically retracts, allowing material to slide freely without removing the stop. Compatible with standard 1/2 inch by 14-degree dovetail grooves, it works vertically or horizontally. Durable, flexible, and easy to position, it's ideal for jigs, sleds, and repeat cut woodworking tasks. EZARC Bimetal Arc Edge. Oscillating tool blade. The EZARC Bimetal Arc Edge. Oscillating tool blade is built for fast, precise, and long-lasting cutting across many materials. Its CurveTech Arc Edge design reduces vibration while improving control and accuracy. Made with HSS teeth and a flexible alloy steel body, it lasts up to 5 times longer than standard CRV blades. The wavy tooth pattern prevents jamming, handles heat well, and delivers clean cuts in wood, plastic, drywall, fiberglass, and soft metals. GOINGMAKE Bench Dog Clamp. The GOINGMAKE Bench Dog Clamp is a fast-acting all-metal hold-down clamp built for MFT workbenches and dog hole tables. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it delivers strong, reliable clamping force to keep workpieces steady during cutting, drilling, sanding, or assembly. Its precision CNC machined dog post fits standard 20mm or 3/4 inch holes, while soft protective pads prevent surface damage. Adjustable height and quick release action make it ideal for efficient professional woodworking. Gorilla All-Purpose Wood Filler Wood Repair Kit. The Gorilla All-Purpose Wood Filler Wood Repair Kit is a reliable solution for fixing cracks, holes, and surface damage in wood. Its strong, durable formula resists shrinking and cracking while remaining water resistant for indoor and outdoor projects. The filler is paintable and stainable, sands smoothly, and dries quickly. Once cured, it can anchor nails and screws. The kit includes an 8-ounce filler tub, putty knife, and sanding block. Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip. The Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip is a time-saving dual-action tool designed to simplify pocket hole woodworking. It combines a precision drill bit and a No. 2 square drive bit in one compact, quick-release housing, letting you flip between drilling and driving in seconds. The adjustable depth feature ensures accurate pilot holes for different Kreg screw lengths. Impact rated and built with a standard 1/4 inch hex shank, is durable, comfortable to use, and compatible with most drills and drivers. Gorilla Ultimate Waterproof Wood Glue. The Gorilla Ultimate Waterproof Wood Glue delivers professional strength for interior and exterior woodworking. Its 100% waterproof formula meets ANSI/HPVA Type Y standards, ensuring long-lasting bonds outdoors. The glue offers up to 15 minutes of open time and needs only 20 to 30 minutes of clamping. It dries to a natural tan colour without foaming, sands and paints easily after curing, cleans up with water, works on many woods, and applies in temperatures as low as 50 degrees Fahrenheit for reliable, clean, professional results. ESTWING Pro Claw Nail Puller. The ESTWING Pro Claw Nail Puller is a professional-grade prying tool built from a single piece of forged, tempered steel for exceptional strength and durability. Its dual-claw design includes a Japanese-style 90-degree angled claw for maximum leverage and a thin precision claw for tight spaces. Sharp machined edges grip nails securely, even headless ones. A shock-absorbing cushion grip ensures comfort, while the chrome finish adds corrosion resistance and long-lasting performance. Mr. Pen Rafter Square. The Mr. Pen Rafter Square is a versatile, compact carpentry tool crafted from durable aluminum alloy, perfect for measuring and layout tasks. Its high visibility markings on a matte finish ensure easy reading, while its multi-purpose design functions as a square, protractor, saw guide, rafter table, and straight edge. The 7-inch size fits conveniently in a pocket or tool belt, and scribing notches allow precise line marking. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's ideal for both job site and home use.